Hi, I'm Ryan Johnson with C2B Solutions, and I'm excited to introduce Vida Ventures Photography. I am a new father based out of Dallas, Texas, developing decentralized applications like Funds for Humanity and now Vida Ventures Photography.
Today, digital photography has become ingrained in our daily lives. Whether it is social media, commercial, informational, or a hobby, photography has grown into a multi-billion-dollar industry with billions of users globally. Although the photography industry has been very successful, I have noticed that there are a few pain points and challenges in the industry that could be solved for photographers and content contributors alike using decentralized technology like blockchain. Some of the biggest photography platforms like Instagram lack an opportunity to monetize content. And if they do, oftentimes there is a large pay gap between the platform and the content creators. While there are some NFT marketplaces like OpenSea that give an opportunity to monetize content, photography is not the primary focus, and most of the largest marketplaces are built on layer 1 Ethereum, which comes with high gas fees and slow transaction time. Also, these NFT marketplaces have centralized unenforceable royalties and centralized unlockable content, where creators are not empowered to add more utility exclusively for their NFT owners. The photography industry could use a new platform to bridge this gap between traditional photography marketplaces like Shutterstock and Web3 marketplaces like OpenSea. To solve this challenge, I have created a new platform. I am excited to introduce Vida Ventures Photography. This is a blockchain-powered photography marketplace with enforceable royalties, unlockable content, and content contributor incentives on a mission to enlighten the world about wildlife, history, landscapes, cities, and some of the most beautiful places in the world. Vida Ventures Photography uses smart contracts on Polygon for low gas fees and fast transactions. This, combined with decentralized price fees from Chainlink, create enforceable royalties for photographers. Similarly to National Geographic, our mission is to use photography across the world to educate and enlighten the globe. With royalties and the incentives of our marketplace, along with empowering photographers with complete ownership of their content, I believe we can inspire photographers across the world to join our mission. By using decentralized blockchain technology, we are building a new type of business model that creates a more symbiotic relationship between photographers and our platform. Photographers have a platform to create, sell, and collect photography on a marketplace where they can completely own content and have complete control over their royalties while only having to pay a low transaction fee when sold. I believe that creating a business model that provides a trustless win-win agreement between our users and platform will inspire photographers across the world to join our mission in building an educational database. This collection from photographers across the world will be used to create an explorable map owned by the content creators and collectors. Now that you have learned a little bit about Vida Ventures, I would like to demonstrate how our marketplace works on Polygon Mumbai Testnet. First, let's navigate to our gallery where you will find all photos that are part of our collection. Vida Ventures photos are listed here on our marketplace. Here you will find a public watermark version of the photo with educational information about the place where the photo was taken, along with ownership and current royalty information. For photos that are owned by Vida Ventures Marketplace, you can order gallery-grade quality prints. At the bottom of the page, you will find the metadata of the photo where information such as geolocation will be used to build a creator and collector-owned photography map. Also, unlockable content such as unmarked high-resolution JPEGs and itineraries of traveling to the location can be found and downloaded in this tab by the owner. This is very cool because additional unlockable content can be added in the future but not removed to avoid rug pulls. This feature is currently not available on Testnet, but will be available once our collection is minted on mainnet. Lastly, you will find the NFT and royalty information on the photograph here. The royalty can only be updated by the collection owner, but they are limited by the transparent terms that the creator set when originally creating the collection. For this example, the maximum sales percent royalty that can be set is 3%, and the max enforceable transfer fee that can be set is $25. Now that you understand the features and utility of this photo, let's buy this photo and take a look of how royalties are paid out. There are two ways that royalties can be applied to a photo. You can either have a sales percentage royalty or a stricter enforceable royalty that will only allow transfer of the photo if a flat fee is paid to the collection owner. This transfer fee uses decentralized Chainlink price fees that dynamically calculates the fee required. For this photo, it is using a percentage royalty that is honored by this marketplace and other NFT marketplaces that use the ERC 2981 standard. Now let's buy this photo and go to My Collection to collect sales proceeds and royalties. Okay, great. Now you can see the previous owner can withdraw the amount paid minus the 3% royalty fee without any intermediary or minimum requirement. Now let's see if the collection owner received their royalty payment. Okay, awesome. We can now see that the original creator has received their 3% of that payment. And with this concludes our demo. Now that you have seen the potential of our marketplace, I would love to share our vision for the future. Currently, we have launched on Mumbai Testnet at vidaventuresphotography.app, with plans to launch production with our first 12 photos on the marketplace by the end of this year. Once we have a well-established gallery, we plan to launch version 2 next year that will include functionality for any photographer to create their own collection and be able to apply their photos to contribute as one of the 10,000 verified photos for marketplace rewards. As our application and community grows, we have the potential to pioneer a new, improved standard for digital photography.
If you have any questions, interested in buying a photo when we go live, or want to be one of the first photographers on our platform, please contact me at info@vidaventuresphotography.com. Thank you for your time.